The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 latest update. Samsung unveiled the latest version of its flip format smartphone back in August with the arrival of the Galaxy Z Flip 4. Rumors have starting to float around about what we should expect in Galaxy Z Flip 5. Please like this video if you are a Samsung phone lover. Let me know in the comments section what you are looking out for in this new flagship. And if you haven't subscribed already, then hit subscribe button now, so you don't miss a thing in the future. So, Korean site the ABTEK, reporting that the new model will boast the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. This chip is expected to be announced in November by Qualcomm at its Snapdragon Summit conference. The new silicon is thought to be more energy efficient, and early reports suggest that improved heat management will prevent the chip, and the devices in which it's installed, from heating up too much during use. While the site also says that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 will be sticking with its main 50MP Samsung ISOCELL Gen 3 sensor, there has yet to be any reports that we might see the same improvement heading to the Flip 5. Hopefully this does turn out to be the case, as the camera performance on the Flip 4, while decent, could certainly benefit from a spec bump to compete with rivals in 2023. The ABTEK reports that Samsung is scaling back its production numbers for this generation of the Flip and Fold models, with the Korean giant hoping to sell around 10 million units, combined, of the two devices. The interesting part about this is that Samsung is looking to sell 8 million units of the Galaxy Z Flip 5 along with 2 million units of the Fold 5. This indicates that the manufacturer seems quite confident in the appeal of its next-gen flip phone compared to the larger form factor. So far, that's all we've seen so far in terms of rumors around the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. But, as one of the main weaknesses of the Flip range has been battery life and camera performance, it could be that the more energy-efficient processor and potential sensor upgrade for the main camera will address both of these areas. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment the country you are watching from. See you in my next video.